I've been here since 6:30 this morning. You two cold farts showing up here the ass crack of noon.
We're not all fucking go-hards like you, Gerald.
I go hard like Vin Diesel in the go-kart. Shit, I should put that on one of my rap songs, yo.
I see you doing those rap songs on the Google box there, Organo.
I think everyone and their dog's seen it by now, Gerald.
Imagine. And I also seen that that Bowen, he put a walloping on him, didn't he?
He sure did, yeah.
Yeah, I might have shit the bed on that one, but next time, I'ma kill it. Check it. My rhymes are dope, like I sell in a baggie. They want smoke. They can add me and tag me. Rhyme so sick, better call up the doctor. Rhyme book so thick, oregano be the